This is the Cerro Santa Marta on the outskirts of Guadalajara, Mexico, otherwise known in English as Santa Marta Hill. It's a natural place. It's about 700 feet high. You could see all of Guadalajara from it. You could see the whole metropolitan area. It's a good escape. I come here for a little peace of mind, to escape the city a little bit, and it's just so relaxing to hike here. It's a little rough around the edges. The trails are very rugged. It's a good hike just for the view. Judging by the rocks here, it appears that this is an extinct volcano because the rocks look very volcanic. They're reddish. Here's another view of the urban sprawl of Guadalajara. Guadalajara is a rapidly growing city. It's the second largest city in the country, and it's expanding south at a rapid pace. You can't see it real good, but in the background is an American-style mall. It almost feels like you're in California when you're in the area. It even has a Walmart. At this viewpoint, I have a good view of the entire Guadalajara metropolitan area. A city of about 5 million people. So far, this place has been a great experience for me. I met nothing but kind people. People are considerate here. It's a nice area. The food's good, and the women, they just look real good, and I mean that out of good taste. There's a view of more of the houses. In the background is an enormous Catholic church they're building. I believe it's going to be a cathedral. There's Chad Rowie, which is like the Mexican version of Walmart. They have everything in there. Apartment blocks. And going towards downtown. Guadalajara, for a city its size, that is more of a low-rise city. It doesn't have large buildings like Monterrey or Mexico City. It's more of a sprawly city. And now I'm going to take the steep way down. I just hope I don't bust my butt. One more view of Guadalajara.